So, hi, I'm Rajvi, and as I've seen many people asking me how I handle my anxiety and my stress and all the negative emotions during my preparation phase for NEET PG, I want to tell you a biggest life changing experience and a life changing exercise that I do every day now, and it has become a part of my lifestyle now. That is Sudarshan Kriya. So actually, I was in my third year of MBBS when I realized that there was a lot of stress building up, and I had to put something into my everyday routine which would help me maintain my calm and my cool and bring some positivity in my life. So that is when I was introduced into art of living Sudarshan Kriya, and I learned it and I've been practicing it like not regularly. That time I wasn't practicing regularly, but it was during my preparation for NEET PG in my which was in my internship, that I realized that I had to practice it every day to maintain a good frame of mind and to remove all the negative and bad thoughts. So to start with, during my internship phase, while I was preparing for NEET PG, I had only one thing in mind, that I wanted to get a good rank in NEET exam. And I was searching for many articles or research papers to what were other things which I could do other than studies to bring a better output in my exam. And that was when I realized that meditation and yoga and pranayam, it really helps you to maintain your mindset, a good frame of mind. It brings clarity of mind, improves your intuition, then improves your focus, concentration, helps you remove all the distractions and keeps you to the focused, and it brings a faith in you ki all good, only good will happen. So all your negative thoughts also, they go down, and you get a better sleep. And there are many benefits for especially during your preparation phase. So uh, yes, so I started meditating, and it has really helped me to keep my internship life and my study as separate. Like while I was studying, I would never think about internship and my how I would manage my internship and those things, because you know how to control your mind more better and your thoughts more in a more better way. And there are many scientific proofs about how kriya helps you to maintain a good mindset. Because I remember the night before NEET PG, I was on the bed, and there were many thoughts coming ki how will my exam go, will it be a good paper, or there are I've put so much of my time and efforts into studying for this exam, how will it be? And I was getting anxious. So that was the time when I started breathing deeply, and I did my pranayam, and I was able to sleep that night, because that night was one of the toughest night to sleep, which you can sleep well, yeah. But still I was able to sleep for 6 hours, and that was a very good thing. I was really, I thought ki what if I won't be able to sleep, only because I was getting a few thoughts. But after I did my pranayam and my kriya, I was able to sleep in just 10 or 15 minutes after doing it. So and also while I was sitting next to, on the day of the exam, and I was sitting next to the computer, and even at that time I closed my eyes, and I was just trying to meditate and concentrate on my breath, because there is a very big connection on your with your breath and your emotions and your mind. Because you must have experienced when you are anxious, your breathing rate, it becomes faster and your heart rate becomes faster, and while you are happy or relaxed, your breathing rate and your heart rate is slower. So it's vice versa too, because when you like control your breath during your kriya, it is a slower and a more like controlled breath, and that leads to control of your emotions also. So your breath becomes slow, so your emotions also, they become more calmer. So yeah, so that is when it helped me a lot on my exam day or night before the exam, and throughout the preparation phase also during my internship. So I thought ki this should be shared to many people, and especially students, because I know what we all go through during our preparation phase. We have so much to study and we feel time is less, and how will we manage both our internship, or if even if we are not doing our internship, how will we actually be able to study for so long, and uh, uh, also with our GETs and our scores and everything, we become anxious and negative thoughts do come up ki how will my score improve and everything. So for that, you need to have faith and belief on yourself and your mind. So this is a very big and important tool, how you can control your mind, and at least have a faith on your mind, at least ki yes, you will be able to handle the stress of your exam. And yeah, so that is why now, with my all India counseling going to start in the coming week, I thought of like trying to organize a course on a basic meditation and kriya course from 15th November to 18th November. That is from 15th November to 18th November, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., 2 hours every day. So where this course will be organized by me, but I will my teachers will teach you everything, and this is like once and for all. If you learn it once, you can do your kriya and all the pranayams on your own afterwards. So it will be very, very beneficial for you. Once and for all, finish it, learn how to do a proper meditation under guidance of a teacher, and baad mein you can do it on your own. Because it will really, really help you to control your emotions during any situation. And now, so it is very important, like in your preparation phase, to maintain your calm and your with thoughts. So yes, so this is a program from 15 to 18 November, 7 to 9 p.m. So it is an online basic meditation program where my teachers will be teaching how to like do kriya and other pranayams and everything, and you do it once. I guarantee it won't be a waste of time or anything. It is a good investment. You invest time in this, learn it, and then baad mein you can do it on your own. And please do follow it regularly. Like, do it regularly. Try to like take out at least 20 to 40 minutes of your daily time to in this, and I guarantee you it is not a waste of time, क्योंकि खाली पढ़ने से भी कुछ नहीं होता. मतलब पढ़ना and your mindset, both of them are important, and for mindset you need to learn meditation under like guidance. So yes, so that is it. 15 November to 18 November, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I am putting the link in the description, and if you have any doubts, you can put in the comment section or contact on the numbers which I've put down. So do register and finish it off. Like, at least start somewhere in your meditation journey, because it will help you immensely in your further life, especially during this phase. So thank you.